Hi, this is a video of the defective part. This is a power supply that's rated at 0 to 30 volts up to 10 amps. Right now I've got it set at 11.9 volts and maximum amps. And right now it's unconnected. I'm going to connect it to the device, which doesn't power up. It basically starts smoking. It appears that the inputs are shorted together. Okay, I'm turning on the power supply. As you can see, the voltage is 0.7 volts and it's drawing 10 amps, and the circuit is not doing anything. It is starting to heat up. The LED is not turning on, and again the voltage appears to be shorted. It's pulling 10 amps, and there is smoke coming from the circuit. I had another one of these that was working properly. This one is not working at all. Thank you.